So we're in day 5. We're heading for the Shan Islands, which is very close to the Western Isles, probably about 10 nautical miles or something like that from Harris or Lewis. That's them there. The visibility, as you can see, is horrendous. We seem to be in some sort of sea harp. It's been like that for the whole trip. Anyway, that's the Shan Islands there. And that's the Outer Hebrides there. So we're close. It's flat calm wind-wise. And tonight we'll head down to the northeast of Skye to a wee bay called Staffin Bay, which is supposed to be quite pretty. Hopefully the visibility will be a bit better as well. So this is the Shants, probably about 6 nautical miles, 8 nautical miles from Harris. In the Outer Hebrides. It is flat cap. There's 2 or 3 yachts in here that I can see already visiting, so we're not alone. A couple of seals floating about. Looks like it's kind of got that same stonework as you get in Staffin, you get in the Giant's Causeway and things like that. It's columnar kind of basalt that you get. It's really quite nice. There's a few other boats in the bay, as you can see, and absolutely thousands of guillemots and puffins and other types of birds, which hopefully we'll be able to catch a few on the bow camera on the way in there. There's a bit of a cave over here I'm going to go and explore in the dinghy. Yeah, it's a nice wee spot. So we're going to head in and see what this cave's all about in here. But I'm going to have to actually mount this camera between my legs and try and row in. So hopefully you can see some of it. That's all right for it. Cave. I think we should go in for a look. Cracking. On the other side there's going to be the Outer Hebrides. I love this sort of thing, because how many people get to do it? It's a real sense of exploration when you do stuff like this. Anyway, that's as much as I dare rest time. Get caught up in some tidal rip somewhere. Look very carefully. Just in this little mound of grass here. See it? Hi guys, so we are in Staffin Bay. It's got a little community on it, I'll show you. Well spread community. Goes all the way around this bay. Little beach. Some camper vans and things. And that's it. Comes to a dead end there. We've pitched up, we've anchored in the middle of this bay here, but it is a little bit rolly. We're getting a little bit of swell coming in. It's rocking us about a little bit, but hopefully it'll be alright for the night. Should get a bit of a sunset. And it's a big day tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going to go to, hopefully tomorrow we're going to go to Rassay, the island of Rassay, because I want to set foot on Callum's Road, and we will spend our tomorrow night in Plockton. So that should be good. Hi guys, so we're on our 6th day circumnavigating Skye, the island of Skye. It's another beautiful day, not a breath of wind, so there'll be very little sailing or no sailing done a day unless that picks up. I mean, it's beautiful to look at, and the visibility is good, so if there is anything to see today in the ways of wildlife, I'm hoping we will see it and catch it for you. We're just approaching Rassay. There it is there, island of Rassay. Where I was going to go ashore in this bay over here, that's Arnish Bay, to try and then cross over till I hit Callum's Road. But it looks, as you can see from here, it would be a bit of a climb to go over. So what we've decided to do is go round to the east side of Rassay. We'll go through this little sound up here between Rona, that's Rona, the island of Rona, and this is Rassay. And there's a little sound we can go through in the middle of it. It's quite narrow, but we can get through it. And then we'll just put down and we'll try and get down near a place called Brothel, which is where Callum built his road to Brothel. Just to give a bit of perspective, that's South Rona, and that's Rassay. There's a rock in the middle there. which we have to navigate either the north side or the south side. We're going to take the south side, um, but you still need to watch out for any little straggler rocks or anything. So we're ashore on the island of Rassay. I took the wee dinghy and we managed to throw down just offshore, which is nice. So let's go and see if we can find a route up to see the castle and Callum's Road. This structure up here would have been the castle, I'm sure, at some point. There's a wee track up the back of this shack here. Let's go and have a look. So this is Brothel Castle in the northeast side of Rassay, the Isle of Rassay. Most certainly a MacLeod castle. Probably 16th century, but I don't think anyone's certain, to be honest. It's Callum's Road. And there's Callum's wheelbarrows and spade. Seen better days. So those of you that don't know the story of Callum's Road, so he stayed at a little settlement called Arnish, which is about a mile on from here, maybe two. And there was no access by road to Arnish, or so the community had no access at all to Brockle, which is where the castle is and where I am just now. So they petitioned the council over and over for years, I think, and the community dwindled. It got less and less as years went on, until eventually the only people that were left was Callum and his wife. And he decided at that point that he was going to do it himself, because if he didn't, no one else would. So that's what he did. He built it himself. Of course, this road was adopted by the council after Callum completed it. And ever since then, it's gone to rack and ruin. You can see where I've laid tar macadam over it. And it's all just burst up. Poor old Callum, I'll be turning in his grave. So glad I made the stretch up. This former footpath to Arnish, a distance of 1.75 miles, was widened to a single track road with the passing places and prepared for surfacing by Malcolm Plockton, which he was otherwise known as Callum. In 1911 to 1988, South Arnish, he accomplished this work single-handedly over a period of 10 years. So there you go. Right across there, it's Apple Cross. A bit further south than that is Plockton, which we're heading tonight. You can see how still the water is. There is a little bit of wind on it by comparison to earlier, so hopefully we'll get a little sail up. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. This is looking all the way down there to Skye. Hi guys, so we've arrived at Plockton. This will be our anchorage for tonight. It's a beautiful evening. There's Plockton over there.